Welcome everybody here at Unique Dance Studio to celebrate our yearly White Party event. Before I say anything else, let me present you the queen of the house, Marjorie, sur la piste. We are here because of her, and then it's a great privilege to have all of you here, and thank you for coming to make this event possible. Here is Marjorie, the queen of the house.
Good evening, shalom, shalom, shalom. It's a big privilege for me to see everyone here today to support you here. This is making me really happy. Anyway, by the way, everyone got the opportunity to be in this party this year. Every one of you be blessed. Even when you look, if you go in the Bible, if you go to 10, verse 13, Romans 10, verse 13, you say, if you believe in God, God will always be with you. And because of that, everybody in the middle here, everybody blessed this year, and everybody got opportunity to have money in their hand. For all this year, they got money to come in dancing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Always money will come in on your hand. Everybody will be blessed. Thank you to everyone have the opportunity to be here today. Thank you so much. And then I welcome those people I invite to sing for us, and I will be dancing a little bit with Francois. And to open to say thank you to God for everything He done for us for this year.
Yes, as a custom of this theme of the event is to have the Mariachi group of Mexican folks music for us. I think what they are going to play, if you want to join them on the dance floor, I think Marjorie asked me to dance with her today. It's a Viennese waltz. So, Mariachi.
Thank you.
over 40, 50 years ago. My grandfather showed me how to dance the Venice waltz to the exact music. From Mexico. I think they have more for you.
México lindo y querido.
Okay, good. And don't be too shy. You can dance to those music. I know there are a lot of professional dancers here today. Volvic is in the house. Professor O.C. is here. And we have Professor Eric Napoleon is here. And of course, you can join the group on the dance floor if you want to. Next one.
Cuando es México lindo y querido.
Al despertar la mañana, quiero cantar de alegría a mi tierra mexicana. Y yo le canto a su polka, a sus praderas y flores, que son como talismanes del amor de mis amores. México lindo y querido, si muero lejos de ti, que digan que estoy dormido y que me traigan a ti. Que digan que estoy dormido y que me traigan a ti. México lindo y querido, si muero lejos de ti. Que me entierren en la sierra, al pie de la batería, y que me cure esta tierra, es tierra de hombres jamás. Voz de la guitarra mía, al despertar la mañana, quiero cantar de alegría a mi tierra. México lindo y querido, si muero lejos de ti, que digan que estoy dormido y que me traigan a mí. Que digan que estoy dormido y que me traigan a mí. México lindo y querido, si muero lejos de ti.
Bárbaro. Beautiful.
And I think we have one more for us, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we have a request for you. We have a request before you go.
Okay.
You know, Haiti and Mexico were very big in cultural activity. And that's not any, that's the reason why every year we have Mexican music in our house, the House of Compa.
Thank you.
So, the crowd of Haiti here request for La Paloma.
La Paloma.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Cucurrucucu Paloma.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Mexico, aquí.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.
We'll see you next year.
See you next year.